Understanding zero-based budgeting.
Zero-based budgeting is a method where every dollar you earn is assigned a specific purpose. At the end of the month, your income minus expenses equals zero. This approach helps you stay intentional with spending, eliminate waste, and reach financial goals. Many budgeting apps support this method, making it accessible, easy to track, and more manageable than juggling paper spreadsheets.
Choosing the right budgeting app.
Popular apps like You Need a Budget, YNAB, EveryDollar, and Mint offer features for zero-based budgeting. YNAB specializes in giving every dollar a job, while EveryDollar is user-friendly for first-timers. Mint allows flexible tracking but requires extra attention to align with zero-based principles. Pick an app that matches your comfort level and syncs with your bank accounts if possible.
Setting up your income.
Start by entering your total monthly income into the app. This includes paychecks, freelance earnings, and any other recurring income. The app will use this number as your budgeting foundation. For accuracy, use after-tax amounts. Regularly update your income figures if anything changes to make sure your budget stays balanced and realistic.
Listing and categorizing expenses.
List all expenses, both fixed and variable. Categories should include essentials like rent, groceries, utilities, and transportation, as well as savings and debt payments. Add discretionary spending for dining or entertainment. Most apps let you create custom categories and set monthly limits, helping you allocate every dollar and track where your money actually goes.
Assigning every dollar a job.
Allocate your entire income across all categories, ensuring there's no unassigned money left. Adjust amounts as needed until your budget equals zero. Budgeting apps typically highlight unallocated funds, making it easy to spot missed categories. Be flexible. If priorities change, you can move money between categories. The key is that every dollar is accounted for with a clear job.
Tracking spending and reviewing your budget.
Consistently update your app with transactions, whether manually or through bank account syncing. Compare actual spending to your budgeted amounts to spot overruns or areas to cut back. At the end of each month, review and adjust your categories based on spending habits or new priorities. Regular tracking helps you stick to your zero-based budget and achieve your financial goals.